Before I started making my own steak fries, I'd never had any that weren't loaded with salt. Our steak fries are going to have a lot of flavor and 0 sodium. Russet potato, I cut it in half. Each half is cut into 3 wedges. They're going to go in my bowl with cold water, a little bit of ice in it, in my refrigerator for 20 minutes or so. Shake them up a little bit, get some of that starch off. Makes them brown a whole lot nicer. The water that the potatoes were in was kind of cloudy. I dried them with a towel, put them in this bag with 1 tablespoon of extra light olive oil for high heat cooking. Then spice time. There's all kinds of spices you can use, and all of them are good. I've never made these that weren't great. Benson's Gourmet Seasonings has got all kinds of no sodium spices. Weber has a line, Mrs. Dash. You got a lot of choices out there. Today, I'm going to put some Mrs. Dash Southwest Chipotle, and I really don't have to measure because it doesn't have any sodium in it. I just want to get enough in here that all the potatoes have a little bit. I'm going to sprinkle some extra spicy Mrs. Dash in here too, just to give it a little more kick. Shake these guys up a little bit, rotate them until you've got some seasonings on every piece. And you probably noticed I don't peel my potatoes. I like them like this. My parchment paper package says that it's good up to 420 degrees. I set my oven at 400 degrees. I'm going to put these in my oven. Okay, in about 15 minutes. I can't believe I almost forgot to tell you about this because these are really good. And it might be because it's 110 in my backyard and I'm not going to go out there and grill. That is a winter item. Clean your grill, spray it with Pam grilling spray before you light it. You don't want to be spraying on a hot grill and have it explode in your little hand. Preheat the grill on medium. Lay your potatoes on the grate instead of putting them on parchment paper. Get your tongs out. Turn them every 8 minutes. On my grill, medium heat, they're done in 30 minutes. Nice and brown. Really, really good. You probably noticed that my steak fries aren't exactly the same size. Some are going to take a little longer than others to cook. 15 minutes. I turn them over. They're going to go back in the oven for another 15 minutes. And we'll check them again. 15 minutes, they are starting to brown. Turn them over with my tongs. Put them back in there. We're going to check them again in 15 minutes. 45 minutes, and our steak fries are tender in the middle, brown on the outside, and really good. If you end up making too many, don't worry about it. Because once they get to room temperature, you can put them in your refrigerator. Next day, heat them up in your oven. Or if you've got an air fryer, stick them in there for a couple of minutes. If you like ketchup on your fries, regular has 160 milligrams of sodium for 1 tablespoon. Heinz has a no salt added that is really good, 5 milligrams for a tablespoon. Enjoy your steak fries.
no stove.